Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guaranty RV. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2019 Thor Outlaw toy hauler motorhome. This patio opens up in the back to extend your living space. These walls form right around here, gives you a little safety so you don't fall off the sides. Didn't set them up today, but you got doors right here. They're going to come and close if you want to close this off. Great area, you can put a four-wheeler in here or bicycles. These come down, they make into a bed or a couple of couches. Okay, got tie downs in here, built really well. As we move back into the coach, you see on the left here, for the people that are in the back, they've got a TV, stereo, access door right here to just the garage. And it's nice is they've got this little cover plate here that covers that area up, gives you more floor space. So let's move on into the coach. That was the toy hauler part of it. As we move into the bedroom, you've got a nice queen size bed here. And right here, this is called the sky bunk. I'm gonna let the cameraman climb right up there. This is for more sleeping. So if you have young kids or just about anyone, it makes a great little spot to throw a couple sleeping bags in there. Great little family outfit here. If you head to the dunes or taking it out hunting or just seeing the country. TV, hanging closet. We have an extra table that's stored right here. That goes in between the two front seats. Privacy door here when you want to seal off the rest of the coach. Here's the bathroom. As you can see in here, we've got plenty of storage. Good sized bathroom. And across the hall, this does become another privacy door right here. Across the hall we have our shower. And as we move into the kitchen area, you have a residential refrigerator with an ice maker. Good size, with a lock. As we come across, you see you've got plenty of storage up top, two stainless steel deep sinks, Corian countertop, lots of storage underneath, and got plenty of room for a garbage can, lots of drawers here, induction cooktop, 2 burners, microwave convection oven. And as we move across, we've got our dinette right here. This could also be another sleeper. And above the cab area, we've got another drop-down bed. That'll hold 250 pounds, okay? And up here in our cockpit, you've got automatic levelers, very nice, comfortable seats. You've got side cameras, backup cameras. You've got a desk for the co-pilot right here. Great big screen. Check out that screen right there. Makes it easy to check those blind spots with your side cameras and backup camera. A really well appointed coach. Up above the door you can see the other TV. And then we're going to go outside and take a look at everything that we've got to offer. Really excited about this. This is another toy hauler for us, and it's going to be I think it's going to be a really good one for us. Come on out. Full body paint. You can see up here we've got our side cameras, alloy wheels, awning here with frameless windows, big TV here. Okay, now we're going to get into the storage. That goes back in there up above too for quite a ways. More storage here. Here's one of our water tanks. 75 gallons at this mark right here. Another storage area that goes all the way across, and your ladder for the drop-down bed is hung right in here. Another door that accesses the garage right here. Little storage area right there. Quick coupler propane hookup for your barbecue. Okay, as we move to the back of the coach, here's that patio that I was telling you about. So the railing comes around this coach. Going to have some steps that go down over there off the side so you can access from here. Backup camera is mounted up above here. You have a remote filling station. You have your own gas station in case you have a four-wheeler. Or emergency shut-off valve right here. More storage. Gas. Electrical hookup. Really nice colors on this coach. Here's storage. You can see that you can go all the way through up above if you have longer items. Here's our outdoor shower and filter, water filter. Comes in handy if you're over at the dunes or, you know, washing the sand off you if you're at the beach. Sometimes dogs roll in something that they're not supposed to roll in and you want to wash them off outside. Okay, here's a 5500 Onan generator. So you got plenty of electricity when you're running that gen. You got 4 big batteries. Here's your hydraulics for your slides. Big propane tank. More storage up there. Looks like a good spot for maybe some lawn chairs. This is a model 37RB Thor Outlaw toy hauler motorhome. We're real excited about this. This is the first one we've got. If you have questions about this or you'd like to purchase this coach, give me a call. Ken.Quick, 208-250-8625. They call me Coach. Have a great day. Thank you.